Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? 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 Who's my...
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in and checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new and want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, all you gotta do is hit that little notification bell. You see the one right here? Just hit that down below and it'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Excuse me. Alright guys, yesterday was a little bit of a all the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude's gonna sell out, and it took a while for them, but I do not believe that they sold out, man. But we do got a little bit of a in-hand review and on foot for you today, of course. Also guys, the channel is actually up 50,000 views this month, so I truly want to say thank you to each and every one of you who tune in and check us out. We really appreciate you over here. But yeah, man, now as for the Air Jordan 11, the holiday 11s, man, they usually sell out, and in the past 4 years they really haven't sold out. I mean, I'm sure they will sell out, but I see a lot of pairs sitting. Now, they did make a lot of pairs of this shoe. Now, do not get me wrong, a lot of people did not want to cop this shoe because they have so many versions of the Concord 11, and obviously without the Concord 11 you wouldn't have the DMP 11, I mean, as well as the DMPs here as well. You wouldn't have this DMP, you wouldn't have this Concord 11. Now also too, my guys in the chat, they say they like the OG cut as well, much better. So do I really do. I cannot lie about that. The Air Jordan Concord with the 45 that came out with the high cut patent leather, very dope. I have them somewhere over here. Ask and you shall receive. So I pulled them out. This is what I'm talking about, the Concords. If you guys don't know, I'm sure you do know, but if you're brand new to the sneaker game, this is the original Concord that came out back in 1995, I believe it was. And obviously this is where this gets this. That's where you get this from. That's why we got all these 11s. That's why a lot of people weren't so crazy about this release. But like I said, if you don't cop this release and you do have these, I understand. But if you don't cop this release and you're just saying it and you don't cop and you're sleeping on them, I feel bad for you, because this is a clean sneaker, man. Very dope. The leather upper is I don't know, I gotta get used to that, because with my 72 and 10s, which are, where are they? Oh, they're right here. I should have took those out as well, but you get what I'm saying. The 72 and 10s, they have the leather upper as well. Now, when I was wearing these yesterday, I'm wearing them in the video right here. Yeah, which was yesterday. Kind of sound like SpongeBob, I'm not gonna lie. But the leather upper, like I mentioned, this has a mesh upper, which as you can see is pretty yellow. I don't know if it's coming up on the camera. I think you can see that. It's pretty yellow. Now this one, bang, is just super white. And it's gonna be a lot easier to keep clean because, like I said, it's leather. It doesn't have that mesh where everything just sticks to this and turns it yellow. Oh, let me give you an example of that real quick. Right here. I don't remember what happened to them, but as you can see, that ain't pretty, man. And it's not easy to come off, you know what I mean? It's not easy to take off. You gotta do a bunch of steps. I'm not sure, maybe they got some Mr. Clean or Mr. Magic Eraser, whatever the case is, but it is what it is. But yeah, man, still the best. Obviously, the original Concord, still the best. But now we got these. Now these are gonna be floating around for a while, so if you pick them up, cool. If you're getting them or waiting for Christmas, cool. But I believe these will go up. Not now, maybe 6 months to a year, who knows, maybe next year. Who honestly knows anymore with the sneaker game the way it is. But it's very good for us sneakerheads because, we can get anything we want now. And we don't have to go and pay through the nose for it, you know what I mean? But anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment section, did you pick these, did you pick this pair up? Are you waiting? Are you going to get them for Christmas? Let me know down in the comment section. I want to thank you guys all the time for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. I told you guys we're up 50,000 views, so Thank you very much. Till next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and I'm out, guys. Peace.
What we do here is go back.